purpose is actually a journey. Purpose is something that just unfolds. And if it's a journey, there'll be difficulties on the journey. And the difficulties, I think, will fall into two categories. If we truly want to live our fullest potential, there'll be challenges and growth and difficulties around the craft. In other words, what skills do you need to learn? What knowledge do you need to have? What education should you get? When I work with people with money, this is one of the things that comes into play, is that there's a process of education. They need to skill up, if you will, for wealth creation. Because we're not taught it. We're not talking about it. We're not having these conversations. It's not taught in school. We take it in through observation. So there's one level of this category of difficulty, and it's through the craft, perfecting the craft. The second is just on the journey. That there's going to be difficulties on the journey. You're going to have obstacles thrown at you. You're going to have things put in front of you. You'll have health concerns, relationship concerns. You'll have work concerns, business concerns. Someone might sue you. Someone might steal from you. All those things are truly gifts in your path to growth. And it is that path to growth and the ability to say that I'm on a path of growth, personal growth. This is why Growth Day is here. This is why we journal. This is why we're in a community, is because it is through that growth that we feel more purposeful. The reality is that I think the key to finding your purpose and being on purpose is not purpose itself, but it is the pursuit of purposefulness.
I listen with love to my body messages. My body is always working toward optimum health. My body wants to be whole and healthy. I cooperate and become healthy, whole, and complete. Amen. Learning together today, August 16, 2025. Vamos todavía.